So to a pot that's on medium heat, I already have my oil heating up. To the oil, I'm going to go in with some chopped onions. Just going to let this saute for about 20 seconds. I'm going to go in with the hot pepper, the scallions, and I'm also going to add in the mushrooms. Okay, next in goes the saltfish and the bandania. If you don't have bandania, you can use cilantro. Just give this a mix. I'm not going to let the mushrooms brown too much because I want to maintain that white color that these mushrooms have. I'm going to go in with that baby spinach. If you wanted to use bhaji leaves, dashing bhaji leaves to this, you can. Okay, so this is finished. Remember, it's going to continue cooking in the oven. So I'm just going to set this aside and allow it to cool down. To the eggs, I'm going to season with some freshly cracked black pepper. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt, and if you are watching your salt content, then I suggest omitting this since the saltfish contains salt. And I'm going in with the cheese, and the cheese would also have salt content, so just make sure if you are watching, leave out the salt, please. So you just want to whisk in those ingredients, and you would set this aside and wait for your filling to cool down. Because if you were to put that hot filling into the egg, it's just going to scramble the eggs. Okay, now that the mixture has cooled down, we're going to add it to the eggs. And guys, if you wanted to put sweet peppers or any other type of vegetable into this, you can. Feel free to put your favorites. And I'm just going to give this a mix. All you do next is ladle your mixture into your muffin tin. And these will expand as they cook, so you don't want to go right up to the top. So these go into your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're all puffed up and they're cooked all the way through. So the muffins are finished. I'm just going to cut into one so you guys can see what it looks like. Can you guys see the spinach? I can see the spinach, the onion, the peppers, the saltfish. Are you excited, Papa? I'm going to give this a taste. Guys, this tastes so delicious. It tastes just like an akra. If you've never tried saltfish and egg before, you have to try it. It's so delicious. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Remember, this is just one of the recipes in a couple of recipes that I'll be doing for Mother's Day. So stay tuned. Click that bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!